Hey guys, it's Dee from Sanremo. Today we have a 2-group racer on the bench and I'm going to be showing you how to program your T-tap, so the volumetrics of it. The first thing you'll need is a cup or a teapot. Place it under your T-tap. On group 1, which is the master head, hold down the middle button. Once it starts to flash and you see dose within 30 seconds in the display screen in the middle, activate your T-tap button. Once it gets to its desired volume, turn it off, and that's basically how you program your T-tap volumetrics. Wait until it stops flashing before you activate any other button, or it will as well disrupt your volumetrics on your settings of the group head. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to adjust your T-tap temperature. So come around to the back of the machine and I'll show you how it's done. The easiest way to find your hot water adjustment, find your barista lights, which are just here. Run your fingers all the way to the back of the machine and you'll come across a screw. Adjusting the screw left will make it hotter. Adjusting the screw right will obviously decrease the temperature, making it cooler. Once you're done and you've set it, that's it, you're pretty much done. Thanks guys for watching our video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.